I'm back to Dutton vlogs today. Building a bonfire because it's bonfire night tonight. I've got the Z50, got some oil for that, and they're just taking some cars where they are. James is here now.
Punched him in. That was scary.
I did that the other day. Hey guys, so we're getting ready for bonfire night. Got some rockets in here. We're just going to light one in the daytime. Look at this one. So we're going to light one in the daytime. Do you see what it's like? So yeah. Alex!
Come this way. Oh, it might not go up. They're about 7 years old.
Oh!
Oh! Andy.
Okay, so we've done one trip. That's quite easy, they're really nice. I think we've got the whole van filled.
Oh, the door's not going to shut.
Well, we don't need really that one, do we?
Oh no, you can push it up high.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Oh yeah.
big shout out to, big shout out to Ben for letting us use their crates. Ooh, that didn't hit me. So yeah.
Look me.
Did you look, you toast you do that?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Got a lot of
Because if
crates.
it hits it far.
They didn't have any, sadly. They didn't have any fireworks.
That won't be good 12 o'clock is. Whoa, we going on the track?
There's some.
Look at the track. That'd be good for
We're about to hit the crates.
We are!
Should we knock it down?
No!
Euros has some, but
Okay, just been to another
I'll put
place.
it up square.
Whoa! Just dropped the camera. But we got the massive long ones, same size as a van.
I'm going to way off there. I'm going to do it.
Yeah, we can get some more in. We've taken some branches from here. It's like a house we've got. James is in the worst position.
Yeah, bring it back. Yeah, bring it back. Yeah, it's on order. It's the bit in the door or something. Eddie's
This
gonna
is
do
mental.
it.
Look at all the things in the back of me. James is in the worst position.
Can't get it out.
No wonder. Why did we get thorns? Look at all of that. It's just.
I've done another way.
Let's go get some more.
Let's get some more.
Like a land.
You need to cut this, Louis.
Yeah, well.
Even though you
Yeah, you just use different.
body junction. And then
Stop it.
at the gate.
These are the world famous Gary Boys hideout. If you don't know what Gary Boys are, they're these people just who like to hang out in their cars. Piss. Oh. hope it's nice inside. Oh no.
I'm sitting in there.
The battery's tripped.
Okay, how am I going to get in?
Yeah.
Let's put this out.
That is tripped. Look at that sofa.
Well, we've got a microchip, gang. Back to back. Alex has got his. I look like a right old roadman.
Roadman, what do you do? Work on roads?
Yes. In Tesco's, they've got nothing good really. So we're off to Aldi now. So actually, I haven't seen my face really today.
All around everywhere.
Hello. Dummy. Look at them. Look at these bad boys of rockets. Easy. Hello. Hello.
My.
Yo.
Daisy.
So these are all the rockets we have just for today. We're going. Oh, sorry, Daisy. But we might go tomorrow to get some more. James. Daisy. Kaboom.
Hit the fire.
Yeah. These were only £20, really cheap. The woman was really grumpy in there. But Marlowe's, the place we always used to go, they've stopped selling them. They've stopped selling fireworks. That's the best sign I've ever seen. So yeah, tomorrow will be a good vlog. Guys, so stay tuned because we're about to go and watch some fireworks soon. So yeah, look at baby James, baby Louis, baby Alex, baby Jessica.
No.
Yeah. Subscribe to Kieran Dawson Vlogs.
Shut up.
I will put you in the vlog. We came out with fireworks and we're in our local pub. We've been here now for about 4 hours and I'm beaten at chess.